How to connect Printful to Ecwid. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Printful to Ecwid. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is open your browser and kindly go to ecwid.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below, and you will be directed on this page in which it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Ecwid, it is an e-commerce platform that provides online retailers and businesses with tools to create and manage their online stores and sell products or services on various digital channels. And also, Ecwid is designed to be flexible and user-friendly, making it accessible to individuals, small businesses, and larger enterprises looking to establish an online presence. And some of the features that this platform Ecwid provide including multi-channel selling, website integration, mobile-friendly, product management, payment processing, and many more. And to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can avail by clicking this pricing option on the top panel. You will be directed on this page, in which below here it will show you some of the plan, such as the pre-plan, venture plan, and business plan. And below is the corresponding prices and the list of benefits it included. However, in those plans, I'm going to choose the pre-plan. So kindly click Get Started button, or you could also click this button on the top right corner. And after that, you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information to sign in, or you can continue using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google account. But I'm going to choose to log in using my Google account. So kindly click on it, and after that, you will be directed on this page, in which this is a dashboard of ecwid.com. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating, including dashboard, my sales, catalog, marketing, reports, sales channel, and many more. And now, after creating an Ecwid account, the next thing that we need to do is also to create an account in Printful. So just go to printful.com and kindly sign in or sign up your account in here. But make sure to also use the Google account or the same Google account that you also use in creating your Ecwid account. But before that, if you don't know Printful, it is a print-on-demand or POD and dropshipping company that provides services to businesses and individuals looking to create and sell custom design apparel, accessories, and other printed products. And Printful allows users to create and customize their own products, design graphics, or even use existing designs, and then have those products printed and shipped directly to customers when orders are placed. And you will see here on the left side panel some of the options that you could also navigate, including product catalog, orders, product templates, file library, and many more. And now, to start connecting Printful to Ecwid, kindly proceed by clicking the Store options on the left side panel, and below here, kindly click Choose Platform button. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to simply find the application or platform of Ecwid. And after finding the Ecwid platform, just click the Connect button below here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. From here, it will show you the step-by-step process on how you can connect Ecwid to Printful. It says here that the first thing that you need to do is to create your account on Ecwid, and after that, just install the Printful app on Ecwid by Lightspeed. And after that, you can now start connecting your store of Printful to Ecwid, and then you can now start adding your products. So now, the next thing that we need to do is to simply click this Get the App button right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And just proceed by clicking the Get button, and after that, you will be directed in here. And just proceed by clicking the Install button, in which this is the second step of installing Printful to Ecwid platform. And after installing, it will show you that the Printful are nearly connected to your Ecwid platform. And after that, from here, just log in using your Google account to connect your store of Ecwid to your Printful account. So you need to make sure that the email that you use in logging in your Ecwid is also the same that you use in signing in to your Printful account. And after logging in, you will be directed on this page, in which it will show you that you're currently in a Printful account under the Ecwid platform. So that means that our Ecwid account is now connected to our Printful account. Now, the next thing that we need to do is to simply add a product. And to do that, just go to your Printful platform and click Product Catalog on the left side panel. And below here, it will show you a variety of product that you could also use. We have here hats, t-shirt, women's clothing, men's clothing, accessories, and many more. And in those options, I'm going to choose this hat. And after that, from here, it will show us other results, including the tracker hats, the beanies, bucket hats, and many more. Let's say I'm going to choose this kind of beanies. So kindly click on it. And from here, it will show us the preview picture of this beanies, including its title. And below here, to proceed, just click this button that says Create Product Template. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, all you need to do is to simply customize or design this product using the editing tools on the left side panel, such as layers, upload, in which you can import files from your computer and upload it in here. Or you could also add a text or clip art. But in those options, I'm going to choose this clip art option. So from here, just select the sticker of clip art that you want to add as a design of this beanies. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. So kindly click on it. And upon clicking on it, it will show us that this clip art is now part of our beanies. And if you're now done customizing this beanies, kindly proceed by clicking this button that says Save Product Template right here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And as you can see, the product that we just customized is now under the product templates. And from here, to add to our Ecwid account, just click this button Add to Store. And it will show us a pop-up window. And from here, just select your Ecwid store. And after clicking on it, you will be directed on this page, in which from here, you could also customize other details of your product, including the colors, the design, the mock-ups, the details, and also the pricing of these beanies. And now, as you can see, we're currently on the mock-up section. And all you need to do is to select the mock-ups. And after selecting, just click the Continue button below. And upon clicking on Continue button, you will be directed on this Details section. And from here, you will see some of the details of this product, including the description, the benefits of on-demand manufacturing, and many more. And now to proceed, just click the Continue button, and you will be directed on the next section, which is the Pricing section, in which from here, you could also customize the price or the retail price that you want to sell this beanies for. And it will show you the estimated revenue given the amount of your retail price. So let's say we're going to change this retail price from £17 into £30. And after that, it will show us that the revenue, our estimated revenue, has now been changed. And if you're now done customizing all of the details, kindly proceed by clicking the Submit to Store button below. And after that, it will show you that the new product has now been added to your store. So if you go to your Ecwid platform or account, and proceed by clicking the catalog option on the left side panel of it, you'll be able to see under the products option the beanies that we just customized, including the title of it and also the corresponding prices, which is £30. So that is just how you can connect Printful to Ecwid. Thank you.